Today we are going to talk about the different video features that are available in Canva. Now, when it comes to recording, I won't be able to show you all of the steps because I am using a different system to record these, but it is very simple and self-explanatory, and if you need additional help, you can always come find me. So we're going to start with uploads. So when you click on uploads over here on the left-hand side of your toolbar, you can upload images from your device or videos. And if you're on the iPad, the students will see this as well. And then you can go to upload media and you can search on your device, whichever one you're using, the iPad or the Surface Pro, to find videos and photos that you want to upload. Once you've uploaded them, they will show up in your Canva library and they won't go away. So anything you've used for Canva in the past will still remain in your library until you delete it. And then any recordings you make within Canva will also remain in your library. And all you have to do is click on them and it will bring that video over. This video is going to be so I'm going to pause that real quick. So now the cool thing with the videos is just how easy it is to customize and move around the different boxes and frames. So next, I'm going to show you how to embed a video. So to embed a video from a different source, we're going to scroll all the way down until we see more, and we're going to click on more. And then if you continue to scroll down in all of your more options, there is a function that's called embeds. When you click on embeds, you can select all of the different services and go search for them, or you can just copy the URL from the video that you want, and you'll paste it here, and then your video will automatically pop up as you see it has on these other slides. These other slides have come from YouTube. So next you can see, if we go to videos in our tab, is that Canva does have some videos already embedded in, but these are going to be more like just visual graphics. They're not going to be anything educational or cover any topics. This is just purely for visuals. So the last thing, I guess there's two more things, is we're going to talk about how to record yourself. So when you are ready to record yourself, you can record yourself going over just content and just talking. You can record yourself and screen share to walk students through the steps of using any application or any website. It does not have to be Canva, and then embed that into your Canva. Or you can do the same recording that you have in PowerPoint, where you can record yourself going through the presentation. So just to start off, we're going to come to video, and then we're going to go to record yourself. And again, some of these features will not work as I am in a different program, but the first thing you'll have is to select whether you have a mic. Then you're going to select whether you have your camera, and then you can decide whether it's your front-facing or your rear-facing camera. And I would suggest if you are going to be writing out equations or doing something like a document camera, that you will use a rear-facing camera and have it on some kind of stand so that it's steady, and use that function. And then you can also decide to either do your camera, or you can also share your screen. So once you have recorded your video, you are going to go to save and exit. And I can't click save and exit because I haven't recorded anything, so I'm just going to hit exit studio, but you would do save and exit. It would take a little while for the video to populate, but once it does, if you recorded yourself, you will have a little video in a frame pop up, and if you screen recorded, you will have a second video. So I'm going to come back here just to kind of show you what those would look like. So this is my screen sharing recording that I did earlier, and then this is my video that went over it. So I will be able to have both of those, or I can just have one, but if I still want audio, let me bring this over and show you. So I have both of my videos in here. So there's 1 and 2. So there's a couple things I can do. If I want my screen sharing in here, but I do not want the audio from the video from my picture, I could have turned off video, but if I forgot to, I can just come in here and I can turn down the transparency. Then I'll still have the audio, but I won't have the actual picture to it. The other thing I can do is I can make mine really small and put it down in the bottom corner, and then make the other video larger. So it's just nice that I can have both of these, and then they can also run at the same time so that my audio goes with my screen sharing. So the final thing I'm going to show you is how to record and present. So you do not go directly into present mode. What you do is you actually go to share. If you don't see the full share button, it'll be the arrow pointing up. And then there is an option, if you scroll down under more, and it will say present and record. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to ask us to go to our recording studio. So I can't set up my camera and microphone right now, but I can add in notes to my design, and then I will have the same option to use a front-facing camera, a rear-facing camera, or just to turn off my camera altogether. And then as I'm going through the slides, it will just embed that. So when I share it with students, it will share it as kind of a video going through each slide. So the content that I speak about will be associated with the slide that I spoke over. So you don't have to worry about putting things on the appropriate slide, it just all works together. And these are the variety of ways that you can add videos, embed videos, or record yourself and present to your students within Canva.